Welcome back to Phoenix 4x4. We're going to be working on the Kubota today. We're going to be changing out the final drive oil and got a little piece of cardboard set up, funnel like down to a Lowe's bucket. So 8mm. We're going to take off this one, and then we'll take out the drain, and then we'll fill up from here. And when it starts coming out of this one, we're good to go. So looks like I'm not quite straight up and down. I need to go backwards just a little bit. So let's get repositioned and give it a try. All right, let's see what this stuff looks like. Oh, full at least. Not horrible. I've seen worse, so that's pretty good. I'll take that for now. All right, let's let that drain out, and then we'll start with the refill. All right, we're done draining, so time for some Kubota Gold here. We're gonna fill it up until we see it coming out of here. Wasting quite a bit there. Well, let's see here. Well, it took one squeeze out of the other bottle to get it to come out, so reinstall these, wipe them off. All right, clean it up, and we'll keep an eye on it. Make sure we don't have any leaks, and we'll go over the other side. All right, the passenger side, if you will. Let's see what it looks like. At least it is full. We're supposed to be. So far, it looks pretty good. About the same as the other side. So, not bad. Put some new stuff in there. We'll call it good. Thanks for tuning in. If you like the videos, give them a like. If you like the channel, give it a follow. Comment below, share with your friends, all that good stuff. Check out other videos. I know the name is Phoenix 4x4, and we do work on 4x4s, but we also work on skid steers now. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you later.